ha ha ha! Hello, and welcome to Soul Science Halloween. Got a new lab assistant, Nick. Not very talkative. A bit tired. Dark eyes. So, in this episode, we're going to show you 3 different ways to make spooky sounds for this Halloween. Let's start one end and work along. That seems like the logical way of doing it. So you just need 2 things for this. Plastic cup. You can alter the size, that would make it into an experiment. So alter the size of the cup, you might make the sound different. Basically, make a hole in the bottom, and then you tie the string through it. So it looks like that. Like that. And then you wet your fingers. So then this is using friction to create the sound. You knit the string and you slide your hand down. Like a creaky door or a creaky floor. So that's the first one. Then the next thing you can do is water, and we've done this one before, and a turkey baster. So just steal your mum's best turkey baster. She's really not going to mind. So just sort of fill it with water. So you can squeeze it right from the bottom here, right, a little bit comes out the top. Then you blow, so the movement of air caused by your breath is going to make the vibrations for the sound over the top, and then you can make a sort of ghostly sound. Okay, and then the final one, you leave it till last, because then if there's a group of you, everyone wants one, and it's going to be the one that causes the most distraction. So if you're a teacher, do this at the end of your lesson and tell them to take it to the next class. And watch how your popularity as a school teacher comes. So you're going to need a balloon and one of these hex nuts. So sort of a newer one would be better because it's less likely to be sharp and balloon. But so you just put the nut in. You've got to make sure you blow, so don't suck and choke on the nut. If you don't feel comfortable, get an adult. If that adult doesn't feel comfortable, get a better adult. So, blow the balloon up. Tie it off, and then if you spin it, the centrifugal force, not centrifugal, but centrifugal force will cause the hex to go around, and that will vibrate the balloon, which forms the sound. Are we ready? Sorry, Nick. And so that's what we call the screaming balloon. So, happy Halloween, guys! Remember, don't try at home, try it at a friend's home. You want to say goodbye, Nick? Bye!